Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Drawing Club. It's Rad here. Today we are going to learn how to draw another Roblox character. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of our videos. What you need is marker, paper and something to color with. So we shall get started. We'll draw his head first. Curve, straight and curve and straight up. Now we'll be drawing his hair, which is just like that. Up again, curve, straight and down. That, carry on to the end and like that. Okay, so this is going back up, up, like that. And this is carrying on. We'll start from here. And connect these two like that. So we'll make lines to show his hair. Like this. That goes up, straight across, like that, and like this. He has eyes, so that's two ovals coloring in black, and of course smiley face. His body, we'll draw his color first, like that, then straight line, and straight line, like this, straight down, and straight down as well. Now angle, and straight down again. Same here, angle and straight down. Connect these 2 points and carry on drawing his arms. So this is coming up, out, bend, and out, different angle, in and in. Now we will connect these 2 points and we're getting to his hand. His hand is just a curve like that. Like this. Line here, the other hand, up, out, slightly different angle, and the other arm, the other side of arm, like that. Like that, and like this and in. So like this, and like that. Now we're getting to hand shortly. Need to finish this off. And his hand is same as the other one, which is just curve. That will make it 3D. Now we'll be drawing his legs, which is just straight down. Make a middle point, also straight down. Now from this middle point we need to go in curve down, same on the other side, and make him a 3D as well. Now his shoes, curved line and curved line, and finish it off by rounding it and back. Same on the other side, around and back. Right. Good. He has another two straight lines here, straight down, and we are done and ready to color in. So Roblox character ready colored in. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.